One day in science class, the four boys, Leonardo, Raphael, Donatello, and Michelangelo, had an argument about who was faster. So the next day, they paired up and came up with a science project. They tested if whole food would make two of them faster than the other two who ate store-bought pellets. So they went to the tracks to test it. They met every day after lunch to test their theory. Raphael and Leonardo's theory was that if you eat whole foods, then they will run faster than the other two who ate store-bought pellets. But Michelangelo and Donatello had the theory that if you eat store-bought pellets, then you will run faster than the other two who ate whole food. After days of racing, they concluded that by eating whole food, more energy was given off. Michelangelo and Donatello won because they were the ones who ate whole food. Now they eat whole food every day in order to be ready for any fight or race that may come through their day.
Green machine, gonna rock the town without being seen. Have you ever seen a turtle get down? Slamming and jamming to the new swing sound. Yeah, everybody let's move. Vanilla is filled with a new jack groove. Gonna rock and roll the place.